All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and today's video is going to be all about trying to install this screen protector on my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21. So this is from the company ESR. This is actually a liquid skin screen protector that covers the whole front of the phone. Now it comes in at $9.99, but today, as of February 1st, you can actually get it for $7.99 because there is a $2 off instant coupon, and that does include Prime shipping. So I will be putting my affiliate links down in the description. So if you do want to pick this up for this phone or your 21 Plus or S21 Ultra, then do follow those links. I appreciate it if you do. Now with the S21, it's got the ultrasonic fingerprint reader in the display. So you just can't slap any regular tempered glass on there if you want to actually have full functioning capabilities with that fingerprint reader. So if you don't care about that, then go ahead and put whatever screen protector you want. But with this one, it's going to be able to help protect your screen, give a little bit better protection as far as from little scratches in your pocket and things like that, but then also not break the bank, like I said, for $7.99. So here's everything that comes inside of the box itself. So let me go ahead and move the box to the side here. So you get a cleaning kit, you get this little installation tool here, which we'll go over here in a second, a little squeegee, and then the actual screen protector itself. So let's go ahead and try to slap this bad boy on real quick. Now, full disclosure, this is my third attempt. I hate to say that, but this is down to the wire on the last one. So fingers and toes crossed that I actually get this one done right. So inside of the cleaning kit, you get a dust removal sticker, a microfiber cloth, and then a wet wipe. So what you want to do first is open up the wet wipe and get the wet wipe out of here and wipe the phone screen down. So that way you have a nice clean surface to work with. So we'll go ahead and just wipe that down real fast. Get it nice and clean. And one thing to point out is the wet wipe actually is a wet wipe. I do a lot with screen protectors, and I hate when I get one sent to me that the wet wipe is like completely dried out. It's just so frustrating because it definitely does not serve a purpose when it's all dried out like that. So now we got the phone screen nice and dry. So next step is we're going to use the dust removal sticker here. And what you're going to do here is basically just peel it off here and just use it to get any extra little dust or lint or anything that you might have missed. So one little tip is that if you do accidentally get any kind of sticker residue from it, then just go back over that same spot and just go a little bit slower, and it will pull that off. I've done that a few times before, not with this one, but just in general with screen protectors before. So now that I have it all nice and clean, I'm gonna go ahead and stick that back on. I like to put those back on because I like to reuse them if I can. So with this installation tool here, basically you just pop it out here, and you have some teeth that go into these holes here. And the cool thing about it is you have a USB-C and a lightning little mold there that you can stick into the port of the phone. And it's supposed to help with the installation because with the screen protector here, you do have these holes here that this goes into. So just like so, you just put those in there, and then you just pop this back in, and there you go. Now, with the trial and error of trying to do this, one thing that I have noticed that I don't like about the installation process that they tell you to do is to pull this first sticker first and start from the bottom, and then pull the second part and then finish it. The problem that I have with that is whenever you have this bottom part here, this bottom portion is really hard to get just right. So I'm gonna go backwards with the way that they asked me to install it. And I'm actually gonna pull the first one first and work my way up and squeegee out the air bubbles first, and then take off the second part and then work down. And I really hope that that works and doesn't bite me in the butt. So with this, we're gonna go ahead and just peel this up first. So I'm just gonna kind of set that down there, and I'm just gonna work the screen protector and the squeegee all the way down the phone. Okay. So far that looks way better than any of the installations that I've done. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna pop off this installation tool and take out the actual screen protector bottom and pull this out and get it out of the way. So once again, I'm going against the normal installation guide. And now what I'm gonna do, well, before I do that, I actually see some dust here at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean that before I actually stick this down, because I cannot screw this one up since this is my last one. So now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to hold this one. And as I'm doing that, I'm gonna just let this work its way down. And as I do that, in theory, it should give me a lot better contact. Oh yeah. That went on seamlessly. I am so glad I thought of that instead of doing the way that they suggest. And then step 3 is you literally just pull that off. And now the phone has the screen protector on there. And now there's so little baby little tiny air bubbles that I can easily get those out with the squeegee here. And now as you can see, but now that you can see here, now the screen protector is on the device itself and it is flawlessly installed. So definitely guys, if you see this video, definitely do the way I said, because trying to do it from the bottom and then, you know, going up, it is extremely difficult. I wasted 2 screen protectors doing so. And then like I said, there's still gonna be some bubbles here and there, but nothing the squeegee's not gonna be able to fix over time. So I'll be doing that throughout the video after I'm done here, I mean. But as you can see here, my fingerprint scanner works just fine. It instantly noticed my finger immediately whenever I did that. So the screen protector is a dang good investment for $7.99, especially if you are wanting to have full function with your actual fingerprint reader. So one more test there. So as you can see with the always on display, the fingerprint reader there, just gonna put my thumb on there, boom, it works nicely. And then also what you can see here is, like I said, it's just a very seamless look. Once it's installed, it covers the whole entire screen. So the whole screen is protected and it doesn't feel gummy or anything like that, like normal liquid screens, screen protectors. I'm usually opposed to putting these types of screen protectors on, but it is a necessity with that ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It is a self-healing one, so it does kind of work its way if you do get a few little scratches here and there. So guys, let me know if you pick this up, $7.99 for a 3-pack. And please do follow my recommendations on the install. But there you have it guys, definitely worth the money. So hit that like button, do subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.